Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm back with your market update for February. It's official, 2021 was the busiest market since 2007, with activity levels that haven't been seen since before the global financial crisis. 𝙁𝙧𝙗𝙧𝙪𝙗 and 𝙁𝙧𝙗𝙗 have both reported that since the start of 2022, buyer demand remains high, as the apparent need for more space and a change of lifestyle encourages home moves, alongside the low interest rates. The hybrid working system appears like it's here to stay, which is continuing to make prospective buyers re-evaluate their current lifestyles. Rightmove has reported that a lack of available property to purchase means that buyer competition is nearly double that of a year ago, meaning that best and final offers are actually commonplace for a property considered to be in a sought-after location, and many are selling above the asking price. HMRC have reported that sales were 43% higher than in 2020, with almost 1.5 million sales taking place. When compared with 2020, mortgage approvals and lending are up by 15% and 29% respectively. This is even following the end of the financial incentives provided by the government. We are seeing around 40% of the buyers inquiring about a house for sale are so-called power buyers. So what this means is that they are able to proceed with a purchase having either already sold their property or by having the money in their back pocket. They may then sell their current home after they have purchased. In the prime markets, annual price growth currently exceeds 10% in many regions, including the West Midlands, which is actually averaging a 12.5% increase in price. With the rising cost of energy bills, it may well turn the spotlight to more energy efficient homes, particularly for those people that are looking to upgrade or upsize from their current home. I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions on the market, please don't hesitate to get in touch.